Here is a spot for the mushroom. This is a tail from the magic circle. I like to use this to station the spot where I want it to be. I'm going to fold the cap down. This is what it will look like at the end. Of course, it's a work in progress. I like to sew them on as I'm decreasing the top. It's a little bit easier to be able to go in and out and not have to worry about attaching it from the outside without having the ability to have your hands on each side of the material. So I pulled that magic circle part through. Now for the spots themselves, what I really like to do is take my needle underneath those stitches at the top. So right underneath there, and that's where I'm going to put my needle in and out every single time. I feel like that gives it the best flat texture. So here I am on the next stitch, coming up right under that V of the top stitches you see there, and okay, back down, and then I'm going to repeat this all the way around. I think it's better to have all of your spots made before you start, decreasing the colored part of the cap, because like I said, as I'm decreasing, I want to be sewing these on as I go, and I want to be able to place them where I want them to be. And sometimes it's easier to do it like this spot here, where I'm going to be able to go in and out, and then I will tie it on the inside and cut off those ends. So plan to be aware of that as you're decreasing the top of your mushroom cap. So now I'm going to take that first tail that I went through. I'm just going to do 2 quick knots and then snip it enough. These are going to be on the inside, and that is one of the spots of my little mushroom guy.